Hello and welcome to Code with Joe. Today I show you how to create your own decentralized exchange on Ethereum. And you can do all of this for free and with no coding. All you need to do is click a few buttons and that's it, and you get your own decentralized exchange. So better yet, you get your own user interface to your own decentralized exchange, and you can customize the look of the exchange. You can choose what tokens you want to trade. You can add your own token and so on. And I'm going to show you all of this. The only thing that you need is a MetaMask wallet. And I don't even have any funds in here because we don't need it. And then head over to switchdex.ag or go down to Code with Joe. The link should be in the tutorial. You can go on dex.codewithjoe and then you can click here all the way on the bottom where it says DEX Wizard. Click on it, and here you can set up your exchange. So I'm going to call it Code with Joe. I have a better name. I already set up my own domain where I'm going to host this DEX. It's codewithjoe.net. So I literally just set up the address for the domain for this tutorial purpose. So I'm copy the address here from my MetaMask wallet because this is where I want to receive my fees. And I set the affiliate percentage, I set it to 0.01. You can also supply icon. Here you can add the themes. So how you want to, how you want to customize your exchange. So you can play around here. The background, you can card background. Card header background, so you can set all these to match the looks that you want for your exchange. I'm just going to leave it with this for now. Then you can go down here and listed token. So you can just add token here. These are the tokens that are listed. So when you set it up the first time, you might see way more token. If you want to add a token, you just click on here, add token, and just add the contract address of the token that you want to add. For example, I'm going to demonstrate this. I'll go to CoinGecko because it has everything right there. And if your token is listed that you want to add to your exchange, and it's listed on CoinGecko, then it automatically fetches the symbol or the logo from CoinGecko. So taking here the first one, I choose Binance Coin. Down here you can see the contract address I was going to say. Of course, when I do a tutorial, I'll pick the one where it doesn't show the contract address. So let me go here to wrapped Bitcoin. So somewhere here is a contract address of the ERC20 token. You go back to your DEX, paste it in, hit enter, and we can see it's already here. Wrapped Bitcoin, we have wrapped ETH, and so on. And there is a little thing here on the side where it says quote. Make sure the quote is checked. So you can go click next to the X and turn in quote, and then you can you have to click turn in quote, and then you can select the markets that you want to have. So you can also create your own markets. For example, create trade BAT token for I don't know, for wrapped Bitcoin or something like that, so you can set your own pair, so you can have your own token. And for example, if I have my Code with Joe token, I can import my token, and then I can make all the other currencies also trade my token. Of course, you have to get the traffic to your site yourself and the trades, so they don't do the trades for you. But you can add everything, and Then on listed pairs, you can see what current listed pairs you have. You can edit them. You can set the decimals, minimum amount, and so on. You have a few settings here to play around with. Listed pairs and market quotes. I'm not 100% sure what the market quotes are. Let me see. So, and when you go down here to and then so if everything is set up, you can click here on export config and you get a config file. You don't really need it if you're going to host it on your own domain, as I'm going to do. DEX code with show.net invalid value. I have to HTTPS. And once everything is done, I get a prompt here to sign. I want to edit this text. I click sign. And config submitted. DEX is created in. You can visit it here at your defined domain at your domain or using DEX code with show at the URL. Okay. So where is I'm going to close this. And I should have here somewhere you can also change the from light to dark mode and so on. You have some options here. You can swap your currencies, and you also have a DeFi section where you can buy right away token, and your users can also add token to your exchange if they want to. So if they can go down here, so as you can see here on the left, it says now code with Joe. So there are more ways to customize this. Then you have here some information of the token, but this is not what here is the listings. And so if somebody comes to your site, so if they come to my code with Joe DEX and they go down here to the listings, so anyone could theoretically just paste in here a contract address of an ERC20 token and add it to my exchange as well. And whoever uses your exchange through your URL or the link up here where it says code with Joe, so you can actually share this link, or I'm going to show you how to add it on to a domain. You receive, of course, a referral commission for all of the traffic that is generated through your DEX. Okay, so now the last thing that I'm going to do is I show you how to add this exchange to a URL. So for this I have my hosting account with Namecheap. I'm creating here a file and I call it index.html and okay, I didn't. So 1 second here. Sorry about that. I need to get the link to my So 1 second, I have it in 1 second. I need to grab the link here real quick. Okay, what the fuck? So it, or every time I look for something, I don't find anything. Okay, so I have it right here. So I needed the GitHub link here. I leave the link in the description, so you don't have to look for these links as long as I did just now. Here in my index file that I created, I paste in the this script here. This is all it takes, and down here I change it to whatever my DEX is, and I said code with Joe DEX. Joe DEX. I hope this was the correct name that I had. So I think this was the correct name. I don't know why they don't give me the URL, so I have to go back here. In this DEX code with Joe, I copy this, and in the URL it's switchdex.ag, switchdex.ag, and then DEX code with Joe. Okay, this should be correct. So you basically have to, inside this script that you get from GitHub, all you have to do is change the source. This is the one line of code to point it to your decentralized exchange. But you don't need the currency, you don't need the base, and you don't need the quote. You just need the DEX is and your DEX name. In my case was code with Joe. So let's see if this works. I have saved it, and I'm gonna refresh, reload this. And now if I go to dex.codewithjoe.net, it should actually work. And as you can see, now I got my own DEX codewithjoe.net running. So if you have any token that you want to list, feel free to list any token that you want here on my exchange. All you need to do is here, once it has finished loaded, go to codewithjoe.net, connect to your MetaMask wallet, and okay, now. Yeah, sorry about that it takes so long. I don't know. It's every time I record a video, things just take forever. But I mean, at this point, I'm sure you understand how this works. I mean, there's not much more to do it than I already have shown you. If you're on my DEX, then you can just go here at the bottom. Once it has finished loaded, it's finished loading. Here at the DEX, you can go to listings, and you can set up your you can add your token to the exchange. And if you want to start your if you would want to start your own exchange, you would have to click here on Portal of Switch Network. If you're on DEX code with Joe, then you have to go to Portal of Switch Network, and then you all scroll down at the main network, and then you have the option where it says